Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about corruption. Corruption is one of the biggest problems in many countries. Guys. You must have heard the leaders show you know their power that I'm this and that and you are nothing in front of me. Okay, everywhere is taken corruption in a police station, in office, in company, everywhere, right? Suppose you are well educated. If you want to get job, okay, definitely first you have to pay corruption. It's many bribes money. Okay, without paying corruption, guys, no, you will not be give a job. You know, will not be given job. So try to understand, guys. Okay, but we have to reduce it. Okay, otherwise, uh, it might be it might be increasing day by day. Actually, corruption is increasing day by day. You must have seen that the people are arrested, the people are arrested just because of uh, just because of they do something wrong, and within 5 days, 1 week, 10 days, they are left. Why? Because they have power. They pay corruption. That is why they are left, guys. Okay, if you have you know money, so no need to fear that if you do anything wrong, and if you are arrested, if you pay some corruption, definitely you will be also left, guys. Okay, so in our India, if you do same thing, okay, then how will our India increase? How will our India will grow? It is possible? It is not possible, guys. Okay, so we have to remove it. Okay, and according to me, it can't be removed. Okay, it can't be removed because just because of population, just because of so many people are doing crime. Okay, because they know, okay, uh, and they are they are being supported by the leader. That's why it is happening. Okay, we have to understand, guys. Okay, so being a young and being a new generation, we have to remove it, guys. Okay, thank you so much for watching my whole video.